Hello my birdie friends, welcome to a video about painted buntings. This video is from May 2nd and it's a compilation of clips from my bird feeder camera of an entire day of these two painted buntings coming to my feeder, starting at 8:48 a.m. and going until 8:48 p.m. I've been so excited this season to see them both here for an extended period of time. Here you see the male. They're so brightly colored and beautiful. The female is the one who is that yellowish green color. I had them show up last season for just a couple of days, but this season they've been around for now at least 3 weeks, so I think they're living somewhere close to my backyard. Over the past couple of days, they stay longer in the feeder. They seem more comfortable in the feeder, so I do think that they're nested somewhere nearby. At least I hope they're nested somewhere nearby. And I've never seen the two of them in the feeder together, but I am assuming that they're a bonded couple because it just seems too odd that I have a female and a male who come to the feeder on a daily basis. So I'm pretty sure they're a couple. And in my research, I've learned that South Carolina is an area where painted buntings do come for their breeding season in spring and summer, but mostly the coastal areas. And I'm right in the middle of South Carolina. So I think I'm lucky that they found my feeder and are so happy with the food that they're staying in my area and hopefully nesting, and I'll get to see babies. And if I get to see babies, that means you get to see babies. How exciting is that? So hopefully they stick around, and I hope you guys stick around also and watch pretty buntings in my feeder. I'm so blessed. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Please share this video. I wish you all beautiful birds in your backyard. Bye.